Good morning, children. Today we are discussing direct, indirect speech or reported speech. That exclamatory sentences changing into indirect speech or reported speech. What the sentences? What are the sentences? Exclamatory sentences changing into indirect speech or reported speech here. See that one example. Geeta said, comma, pray. We have won the match. We have won the match. Here, if you see this sentence, this is an exclamatory sentence. How can we say that it is an exclamatory sentence? Here, exclamation mark is there, and sudden expression "hooray" is there. Oh, hooray! Wonderful! Sudden expressions. Wow! So, like these words, if you find, then we can say those sentences denotes as exclamatory sentences. And one more thing we had that to identify it. This exclamation mark denotes as it is an exclamatory sentence. While changing these type of sentences, how to change? We will see that here. Subject, reporting subject as it is, we can write. Where he has said reporting verb based on this word expression hooray, we can write, we can change it. So hooray denotes as exclamation. What it is? It denotes as exclamation. So according to this, reporting verb can be written as Geeta exclaimed. To connect these two clauses, we can use conjunction that while changing exclamatory sentence into indirect speech or reported speech. This hooray sudden expression we can write as exclaimed. While changing exclamatory sentence into indirect speech, reporting verb can be written like this. Geeta exclaimed that we have won the match. Who is we here? Geeta and our friends. Okay. So according to this, we becomes they. And how denotes as a present perfect tense. Its corresponding tense we can change it. Then we can write they had won the match. At the end we can put full stop as usual like the previous. Now one more example. Raghu said, comma, alas, exclamation mark, Ramu met with an accident. Met with an accident. Full stop and quotation mark closed here. Ramu met with an accident. So here a subject we can write as it is said based on this expression alas, and we can write alas denotes as actually this word denotes as sorrowfulness or sadness. This word denotes as cheerfulness. This one write Geeta exclaimed with joy. With joy. Here we have to write with joy. When hooray is there, this hooray denotes as joyfulness or happiness. So according to this, Geeta exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Geeta exclaimed with happiness that they had won the match. Like that we can write. So according to this, here alas denotes as sadness or sorrowfulness. Ramu met with an accident This denotes as what? This denotes as sad event, no? Sorrowful event, no? So according to this reporting verb sad can be written as exclaimed with sad or sorrow. Raghu exclaimed with sorrow that Ramu had. Why had here meant denotes as past tense, medium form, past tense. Its corresponding tense is past perfect tense. That Ramu had met with an accident. Met with an accident. At end we can put full stop. Are clear? One more example. We will see that. The villager the poor man, the villager said, "Oh God, save the king, save the king." Full stop and quotation mark closed here. So here we have subject the villager, that we can write as it is. Yes, said can be written. Here we are talking about God now. So reporting verb can be written as prayed. The villager prayed the God. The villager prayed that. The villager prayed that God might save the king. Save the king. At the end we have to put full stop. Here. Subject as it is we have written. Reporting verbs we have to check. Yes, prayed based on this God here. So reporting verb can be written as prayed. The villager prayed. To connect these two clauses we have used conjunction, and God might save the king. Might means its corresponding tense we can write that. At the end we have to put full stop. This is the way we can rewrite exclamatory sentence into indirect speech, so or reported speech. Are we clear? Still one more example we will have discussion. That teacher says it is good to study. Full stop and quotation mark closed here. While rewriting the sentences into indirect speech or reported speech, first we have to see reporting verb is in present tense or in past tense. Reporting verb is say or said or asked or inquired, reported, those are the reporting verbs here. So when the reporting verb is in tell also, when the reporting verb is in present tense, here reported clause must not change it into its corresponding tense. When the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, once again listen clearly. When the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, in reported clause, it must not take its corresponding tense. We must not change it into its corresponding tense. Means, see that subject we can write as it is. And says we can write tells or says. To connect these two clauses we can use conjunction because it is assertive or declarative sentence. How we previously heard that? Subject as it is we can write, says we can write as tells, and to connect these two clauses we can use a connector or linker that as that, and your subject, it reported subject we can write as it, and it is good to study. So here the given sentence is in present tense because here is denotes as present tense auxiliary verb or helping verb. So based on that we can understand that the given sentence is in present tense. So we need not actually, while changing assertive sentence into indirect speech or reported speech, we can change it into its corresponding tense. But here we cannot change it into its corresponding tense because your reporting verb is in present tense. When reporting verb is in present tense, we must not change it into its corresponding tense. Whatever the tense they had given, in the same tense we need to write. That's the rule. Are you clear? Or when the reporting verb is in future tense. For example, a teacher will say, like this is there. Here says is there, this is present tense. Sometimes will say is there. Will say denotes as future tense. When the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, we must not change reported clause into its corresponding tense. Whatever the tense they have given in the sentence, the same tense we need to write. Clear? Here, according to this, it is good to study. At the end we have to put just full stop. What we did? Just we had content. We had written conjunction or linker that, and we have written as it is here. So when the reporting verb is in present tense or in future, we must not change it into its corresponding tense. One more example. Raghu says, I am going to school. Full stop and quotation mark close. Here, what is the subject we had reporting subject? Raghu. Says we can write as it tells or says. To connect these two clauses, we can use conjunction that. Who is I here? Raghu. Have clear. In the place of Raghu or I, what can be written? E. Am going denotes as present continuous tense. Am going. Going is continuous tense. Am denotes as present tense. But its corresponding tense what? He was going, we need to write. But it is wrong in this part. Why it is wrong means when the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, we must not write it into its corresponding tense. Whatever the tense they have given, the same tense we need to write. Only persons can be changed. Like this, how we have written as I as he based on the reporting subject. Like this, only persons can be changed, but tense must not change in a reported part when the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense. Have clear? Yes. Raghu tells that he is going. He is going to school. At the end we have to put full stop. Have clear? This is the way we need to write. One more example I will tell you. See that. Teacher said, comma, the earth round the sun. Round the sun and full stop. At end we have to close it with a quotation mark. What is the subject we had? This we can write as it is. And reporting verb said can be written as said or asked. Teacher said that. To connect these two clauses, we can use conjunction that while assertive sentence or declarative sentence changing into indirect speech. Here, what is the subject we had? The verb. We can write the subject here. Here, this reverse denotes as V1 form. So, actually, when the reporting verb is in past tense, we can rewrite it into its corresponding tense. But in this case, we must not rewrite it into its corresponding tense because it's a universal truth. And then we have to put full stop. We must not change it into its corresponding tense. Means present tense must not change into past tense. Why we cannot change means because it is a universal truth. Universal truths and sayings of famous personalities must not change into its corresponding tense. So we are changing direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech. Sayings, proverbs and universal truths must not change it into its corresponding tense. Are you clear? Clear. Do you want one more example? Ganga will say, I will come to your home. Full stop and quotation mark closed here. Here also, subject we can write as it is, Ganga. Will say we can write as it is, will say or will tell. To connect these two clauses, we can use conjunction that. I will come to your home. Actually, will denotes as what? Simple future. So its corresponding tense will becomes would. Now, what is I here? Based on reporting subject, I can be changed. Ganga. So that can be written as she. I becomes she. Why? Ganga is female. So its reflective pronoun is she. So will becomes would. But we cannot write would. Why? We cannot change it into its corresponding tense. When the reporting verb is in future tense or simple present tense. Here will say denotes as future. When the reporting verb is in past tense only, we can change reported part into its corresponding tense. Are you clear? So according to this, here if you see will say denotes as future tense, the reporting verb is in future tense, then we must not change the reported part into its corresponding tense. So whatever the tense they have given, we have to write in the same tense. Only persons can be changed, but tense must not change when they have given reporting verb is in simple present or in future tense. Clear? That she will come to. Here Ganga will say to me, your home. Means your home. Here already I told you, when there is no reporting object, we should feel it as me. Now, then me is in objective case. In possessive form, what can be written? My home. Your home becomes my home. and at end we have to put full stop. Only persons can be changed, but tense must not change when they have given reporting verb is in simple present tense or in future. Are you clear? Thank you.